The question I want to ask is, why are so many human beings going through what we call spiritual awakening at this time? It's all about closing the door. You are closing the door on how life used to be. You're closing the door on this old world, these old ways of working. And as this old world, this old door closes, so a new one opens. This new opening door is what you call awakening. More and more people are learning how to step through the door and into the lightness. When we talk about lightness, we are talking, of course, about the higher frequencies, the higher dimensions that you humans are accessing, including your ability to talk to us and other star beings. We know that a great many things live on these dimensions, dear ones, and it's important for you to remember that not everyone is here to help the earth, although there are a great deal of us out here who are here to help the earth through this period of lightening. We prefer lightening to the term awakening, because to us, sorry, to us human beings, you are already awake. You have your eyes open, and therefore you are awake. But we feel that there's so many of you in darkness, so therefore we call it the lightening rather than the awakening. It gives a clearer picture to us on what is happening in the world. Imagine, if you will, light switches being turned on inside people's heads, light bulbs going off. Natalie's just realised the analogy of the light bulb moment. Yeah, I did. Carry on. Can you make the visuals go away so you can just channel the words through me, because I get distracted when you show me stuff. I'm just seeing like, oh, my eyes are sparkling. I literally just saw, they just showed me a picture of the world with like dark areas and light areas, and like bits were lighting up. Sorry, I interrupt. And carry on. So as Natalie said, the areas of darkness are the areas that need work. You are all born into some form of darkness. Although most of it you grow throughout your lifetime, you pick up darkness from all over the planet. This is because your planet is largely in darkness, and this is why we are here to help. The planet at this time is in peril and in darkness, which is why it is necessary to have a global lightening. This is where you people, as we call light workers, come in. Those of you who are able to switch on the light from within you can send out these light transmissions and be part, excuse me, carry on. Those of you who can switch on this light within you can send out these transmissions and be part of this great lightning, as we call it. So imagine every time you leave your house, when your light is switched on, you trigger more and more light. Imagine light particles flowing from you to every single person around you. Humans are very, very susceptible to energy, dear ones. Natalie talks a lot about the bad energy you pick up. This works just as well with the good energy. You can spread the good energy around. This light energy carries around the world very, very fast. Although we are carrying it very fast now, it's needing to speed up through this month of May, because it is not carrying fast enough, dear ones. The dark is still creeping. The dark is still holding us all back and holding us all down. Those of you who would like to work with us directly and with other star beings, you only need to call upon us. Natalie can give you guidance on this, but you can feel safe that us and the Arcturians, as well as our brothers and sisters, the Pleiadians and the Syrians, the Blue Avians, are all safe beings for you to work with at this time of lightening. Oh, no, they're just showing me the pyramids. We don't need to go into that right now.